Hi everybody, welcome to Desert Edge Physical Therapy. My name is Mike King. We're doing our third exercise for our low back pain series. Today we're doing an abdominal brace, which is the progression that I wanted to go through from simple to more progressive. It's all about stability in the back. And so we'll start here on our next exercise. For next week, we'll kind of progress from that abdominal bracing. So here we go. Okay, so stability exercise, we did our active motion, we did our hamstring stretch. Things to keep in mind with this one is it's about using your core. And so I've got here a test to set up with an exercise ball. You may or may not have an exercise ball. I really encourage it. There's a lot of things you can do with it. So the setup on this is same position for your pelvic tilt. Arms are on the ball. Things to keep in mind, don't put your hands on the ball. When you do, you end up doing different things. So you're just going to keep your hands off the ball. And from here, simply just going to press your arms into the ball towards your thighs. So your knees have to be bent up, feet on whatever surface you're on, and you're gonna press in. I like a hold, like a 5-second hold, and that as you do that just creates a nice stability at the trunk. There's some progressions you can do from here, like a crunch or things like that. You can push different legs, but just for basics, we're gonna start with just a press. So this is a ball press, stability activity in a back, laying on your back position.